Welcome back to a new year of learning and growing with the Window Rock High School Career and Technical Education Program. We're very proud to announce our award-winning CT programs and introduce you to the dedicated teachers that make it all happen. Window Rock offers a variety of career and technical programs, including graphic design, digital photography, welding, automotive, marketing, and nursing. Over the past 5 years, our CTE students have earned many trophies and awards in rigorous statewide competitions. One highlight is ranking in first place for 4 years at the Skills Native competition during the 5-year span. This career and technical education program video will give you a look at the courses we are offering our students this year. We know this is a time of uncertainty. Many of us are feeling frustrated, and we want to assure you that we as a CTE department will continue to offer quality instruction to ensure your children are prepared for the college or trade schools they plan to attend. Together, we will make this school year one of growth and achievement for all students. Thank you for watching our video presentation. Be safe, practice social distancing, and wear your mask. Go Scouts!